Hello guys, before I make like a random video, children channels Loki, and now I'm Ratable. Ratable, I'm from Indonesia. My Indonesian pals speak Indonesian with me if you wanna talk in
Мистер Бист, yes, Трис. Посмотри вниз, там Мистер Бист, каратист. Мистер Бист, ю...
Melon. Wait a minute. Okay, 10 mil coin. Roll. Oh man. Okay, so it's just to introduce. I don't want to make a whole video about like something that I do. So let's build a half of my safe. Okay, this is name. What is this? Detail. No, it's this one. I forgot. Okay, so this is broken distorted printing. I want to make soft body blocks. I just ended up making this. It looks later. So next, budget. This is the version of me, but a variant. Invincible variant. Swearing doesn't make you cool. I don't know. Jeez. Okay. Next, I have Carnage, and I got it from the workshop. Yeah. And now this is Crimson Melon. Hey, what the fuck are you doing here? Sorry if I'm kinda sucks, I guess. Next, it's my fourth. It's a melon that, got it fourth. And like Ari. Let's make this right. And shoot and shokoloco. Shut the fuck up. Oh, sorry. So I guess I don't know how to edit things, so I just use my own voice. Whoa! Who is that? Next, good jelly man. This is like a jelly man's brother who is not getting bigger. Now, this is a bouncy melon that I made, and I like this melons. Well, guys, if you heard like some other people noise, it's my dad because he play Mobile Legends with your friends. Okay. Next is a Crimson Melon, but it's a normal Jelly Man. This is like base Jelly Man. He's fire. He is he is fireproof and he is, I don't know, Jelly Thanos. This is a Jelly Man who got Thanos. Thanos ability guy. Next is oh guys, if you see me like if you I'm not copying Orange Apple, okay? I just some inspiration. Okay, this is monster that I'm going to use in my next video maybe. Okay, and the last one, it's Levi. Yeah, it is like Armstrong. If you're wondering why there's a melon, and I put this motherfucking shit in it. Alright, if I put this will fall off it. So I mean, I'm gonna use another apple Dave. So yeah, that's all. It's nice to knowing you guys. So bye bye, I guess. Oh yeah. Last minute, before I left, I want to tell you guys something. I don't know how to editing, so I'm just gonna use my own voice. Yeah, maybe I just repeat that. So bye bye. Okay, so bye bye guys. What the fuck?